Today, let's go over the properties of indefinite integrals. First, you have the integral of f of x times c plus g of x dx. And that, what you can do is bring out the c outside and multiply it with the integral of f of x dx plus the integral of g of x dx. Next, there is the addition over the intervals. So let's say you have an interval that goes from a to c, f of x dx, plus another interval that goes from c to b, f of x dx. Now this, so it goes from a to c, and then from c to b. Now this is the same thing as going to a to b, because you see this, these are the same, and because they're the same, you can just go from a to b. So it is equal to a to b, f of x dx, simply because they're the same here. If it was different, then it wouldn't work. Then we have the integral of f of x dx going from a to b. Now this is the same thing as negative f of x dx going from b to a. So let's say you have a function that goes like this, and you want to find the area of this. Well, you just need to use the negative sign of it and go from b to a. If you go from a to b, you're just gonna get the positive side of it, which is here. But since you want the negative, you just put a negative sign and you change the interval, which is pretty much the same. So here you have f of b minus f of a, and then here you have a negative, which is going from f of a minus f of b. So then when you distribute the minus, you have minus f of a plus f of b, which is technically the same thing here, because here you have a positive f of b, here also you have a positive f of b, and here you have a negative f of a, and here also you have a negative f of a. You see that they're equal. So having them written from a to b, f of x dx positive, is the same thing as going from b to a, f of x dx, with the minus sign in the front. So technically speaking, the area is the same. Then you have f of x dx going from a to a. That's equal to 0. That's pretty obvious, as let's say you have f of 2 minus f of 2, that's just 0, so the same.
Till then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.